So hey guys, I am Kripali Patel. I am first year BB LLB student of Symbiosis Law School Pune, and this video is going to be hostel tour and the room tour. This is Tulip Hostel, that is girls hostel, so I'll be only able to show you the girls hostel obviously, but I'll try if I can get the boys hostel part as well. I'll post that. So I hope you enjoy it. So we are on first floor right now. The floors are pretty much identical. This is the common area of first floor. We get a table tennis table, carom board, and we get the carom and tennis material from the reception downstairs. I'll show you that as well. So we have a TV here and we can also study here if we want. So now this is the stairs and elevator. So we got 3 elevators on each floor. So these are the rooms and we are walking towards the pantry right now. So we get a sanitary napkin disposal dustbin separately from our regular dustbins outside the room. So we have 2 pantries on each floor, one on each side, left and right. This is left side pantry that I am gonna show you first. Here we have refrigerator for veg food only. Then we have water cooler, induction stove and oven. We get 2 of each of these on each floor. Refrigerators are locked and we can take the keys from the floor warden when we need to, and who we addressed as Didi. We get these dustbins for food disposal, and it is not allowed, like food disposal is not allowed in the room wala dustbin. This is the common study room present on the first floor. We got books, tables, everything here in case we don't want to study in our rooms and there is no space in library or if it is closed. This is the right side pantry. We got everything similar here, like induction oven, water filter, but we also have a non-veg food refrigerator here along with the veg one. Now we are going on third floor to just show you the setup that it's similar only. I like this elevator a lot because it tells me which floor I am on and I don't then go off wandering on different floors. Even though I have done it 2 to 3 times. So now we are back on first floor, and on each floor we also have a kettle and iron for common use. Now we are going towards the reception area. These are for our biometrics attendance at night. Apart from all the things we have on every floor like kettle, we also have this machine here to weight our bags if we are going to airport and we need to check the weights if it's overweight or something. वीडियो बना रही हूँ Hello, Didi. Now we are going towards the mess hall. Mess timings are attached outside. The weekly food menu is available here on this board every Monday evening. So we get the plates and food and everything here only. We have to put our used plates in here after throwing any leftover food in the dustbin present. Right now it's not crowded and not all tables are set up nicely because I recorded this when our winter break just started, so no one was there. And we have a good view of sports arena from in here. And we got a wash basin with hand wash in our mess. We also got this hand dryer and water cooler. Now we are going back to rooms and I'll give you the room tour. So this is my room which we individually get keys for. We got 2 LED lights and 1 central fan and 3 sharing bedrooms. This is our cupboard. I'll show you deep inside the cupboard as well afterwards in this video. I'll show you the gallery first. We got this hanger for drying our clothes if we don't wanna pay for the laundry and wash it ourselves. Just beside the entrance we have our own mirrors and washroom. Mirror number 1, mirror number 2, and then our bathroom. So we got this wash basin and then mirror number 3. So we got 3 of almost everything in here and 2 mats and a cloth hanger in bathroom. We got this rack in bathroom for our stuff and we decided according to our height which one we want to take. We got 1 shower and hot and cold water both are available like for 24/7. TMI, this like I really love the hot showers from here, like it's actually very good, the water flow and everything. We got this wash basin and 2 dustbins for inside of the room dry waste, and this is the shoe rack we got, like 3 in here as well. How it is assigned I'll tell you afterwards in this video. So we got this our own study table in our room for each, of course, and then with drawers and a mini cupboard. And we got our own bulletin board type thing to attach anything if we want to, and Then we also got these shelves to keep our box. I'll show you mine. I still have, like, when I was recording, I still had to unpack things. So this is what the view is when it's all packed and cleaned. We got our own charging plugs. I shifted my beds towards the charging plug so that I can study and charge on my bed at the same time. So this is the key bundle they gave us. This one is for the main door and the other two are for the cupboard. तो जब हम पहले यहाँ पर आए थे तो इट वॉज लाइक फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व. जो सबसे पहले आएगा कुछ चूज़ कोई भी बेड तीनों में से, और जो दूसरा आएगा वो दूसरा बेड, एंड लास्ट वाले को एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. बट फिर मेरी जो पहली रूम में, आई वॉज द सेकेंड वन टू कम. द फर्स्ट वन टू कम चोज द बेड, मिडल बेड, एंड फॉर्चुनेटली आई वॉन्टेड द विंडो साइड बेड एंड आई गॉट इट. एंड सब हैप्पी थे बिकॉज द थर्ड रूम मेट वॉन्टेड द wall side bed anyways, so she got it. And according to the bed we chose, we were given A, B, C. So we got our keys, we got our study table, we got our books rack, and we also got the shoes rack, like A, B, C के हिसाब से. उस हिसाब से हम अपने शूज़ रखने थे. और बाथरूम में भी जो हमारा सामान रखने का होता है उसमें भी A, B, C हमें मिला, तो उस हिसाब से हम सामान रखते हैं. एंड लास्टली हमको कबर्ड भी A, B, C के हिसाब से मिला है जिसमें हमारा सामान होता है. सो आई एम नाउ गोइंग टू शो यू आवर कबर्ड. Let's go. ABC has been marked, so we can open. जो ऊपर वाला है हम उसके लिए बाहर से ला सकते हैं, स्टेयर्स होती है जो, and then we can use that. And नीचे वाला we can anyways use that. So this is the key for this. Like every keys are different, so I don't know. Okay, so I'll just give you overall. Okay, this is a little messy, but I tried to clean it up before going anyways. So I'll tell you. So this is the main we get. Like not the main, but we get it with the hanger thingy. Hangers we need to bring ourselves. So I just hang. And this one is pretty big because most of my clothes are here. And मतलब you'll know that मेरे पास कितने कपड़े हैं. I am Gujarati bro. I need नाश्ता. I have everything. You want achar? Come to Krupali's room. You want ghee? Come to Krupali's room. You want sweets? You want क्या बोलते हैं कोई भी dry नाश्ता? Come to Krupali's room. I have chocolates bro. And I'm gonna brag about it. ठीक है? My friends love to come to my room and eat stuff. Oh, why am I shouting? Okay, anyways, I got so excited. So yeah, this is our cupboard, and yeah, so the upper section I've just kept my traditionals there. And so this is the another key we get. Okay, so this is the drawer we get. We can keep any stuff and it can be locked. And yeah, so this is the cupboard. And this is our bed. So we are provided with this bed with the bedding. Bed comes with the bedding, guys. We were all confused. I know everyone is in doubt. So this is ये empty होता है, तो मैंने तो अपना सामान रखा हुआ है इधर. They cleaned it up before going. And yeah, so I guess everything's covered. We get curtains as well. And we don't get any pillow or the bed sheets, so we have to get our own bed sheets. Anything else, if you want to know कि provide होता है कि नहीं होता है, तो please just ask in the comments. I'll let you know. Most of the things I'll make a list. जो हमको confusion था ये मिलता है ये नहीं मिलता है, तो हम आपको बता देंगे. Bye bye.